Hello everyone! Welcome back to Elexhub channel. It's another day in Elexhub Engineering Department, so it's another tutorial. In today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano gumamit ng DS18B20 temperature sensor with Arduino. This sensor is perfect for measuring temperature accurately and is widely used in home automation, weather stations, and even industrial applications. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to wire the DS18B20 sensor, write the Arduino code, and read the temperature data in real time. First, ano nga ba ang DS18B20 temperature sensor? Ang DS18B20 ay isang digital temperature sensor that communicates using the one-wire protocol, meaning you can connect multiple sensors with just one data line. It works with both 3.3 volts and 5 volts power, making it compatible with most microcontrollers. So, bago tayo magsimula, here's what you'll need. So, we need an Arduino board like an Arduino Uno, a DS18B20 temperature sensor, jumper wires, and a breadboard. So, this breadboard is optional but recommended. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Ang DS18B20 ay may tatlong pins. So it has the VCC, connects the 5 volts or 3.3 volts. Data pin, ito naman yung nagsasend ng temperature readings. It needs a pull-up resistor. The GND connects to ground. And then, now let's wire it to the Arduino. First, we connect the VCC pin of the DS18B20 to the 5 volts pin on the Arduino. Next, we connect the GND pin of the sensor to the GND pin on the Arduino. Now, take the data pin and connect it to digital pin 2 on the Arduino. Now that our wiring is complete, let's move on to the coding part. So before tayo mag-start sa coding, we need to install two essential libraries. We have the one-wire. It is to communicate with the DS18B20 sensor. The Dallas temperature to simplify the temperature readings. To install them, follow the steps. So open the Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, include library, manage libraries, then search for one-wire and Dallas temperature, then click install for both. Once you have this installed, we're ready to go. So here is our code. First, we include the one-wire and the Dallas temperature libraries for communication. We define pin 2 as the data pin for DS18B20 sensor. In the setup function, we start the serial monitor and initialize the sensor. In the loop function, we request a temperature reading, store it in temp-C, print it to the serial monitor, wait 1 second before taking another reading. Then, if tapos na kayo sa coding, upload it to your Arduino. Then, pwede na tayong mag-testing. If everything is working correctly, you should see temperature values updating every second. It should look something like this. Now, let's test if our sensor responds to temperature changes. So, meron tayong dalawang test, the heating test and the cooling test. For our heating test, para malaman natin kung nakaka-detect siya ng heat, then you should notice the temperature increasing. Next, for our cooling test, and then the temperature should drop. And that's it. We've successfully wired, coded, and tested the DS18B20 temperature sensor with Arduino. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much and goodbye. Bye-bye.